Get ready. Start. It has come to notice that private work is taken by some officers and officials from board servants under their control. Full stop. In this connection, I am directed to say that the Punjab State Electricity Board has decided to clarify its policy on the subject so as to avoid any ambiguity in this matter. Full stop. Next para. The board expects all its officers and employees to follow these instructions rigidly so as to set up healthy traditions. Full stop. Next para. With regard to above, there is widespread practice for personal assistants and stenographers to be utilized for maintaining some of the private files of their officers and also for taking private dictation of an occasional character. Full stop. Within reasonable limits and so long as this does not affect public work adversely, there can be no objection to this practice. Full stop. For orderlies, the nature of their duties is such that it is difficult to draw the line as to where the official work ceases and private work begins. Full stop. Here too, within reasonable limits, there can be no objection to some private work being taken from orderlies and peons. For example, the peons may with their consent on payment and outside office hours be utilized for private work of a non-manual character. Full stop. Sometimes it is also necessary to make a peon to do private work of an occasional character even during office hours, such as asking him to bring postcards etc. from post office or to give a tumbler of water to drink. Full stop. Similarly, a peon may be utilized as a car driver in addition to his normal duties on payment. Full stop. No objection can be taken to these cases unless reasonable limits are exceeded and public work suffers. Full stop. Next para. Another wrong practice which has come to board's notice that officers sometimes use the private drivers employed on board's motor vehicles to accompany them to tours to drive their private cars. Full stop. This practice is irregular and is not permitted. Full stop. Next para. I am to request that these instructions may kindly be brought to the notice of all concerned serving under you for strict compliance, and a serious view should be taken in cases involving contravention of these instructions, and to reiterate that use of government servants as regular whole-time domestic servants will in future be treated as dishonesty meriting the several punishment. Full stop. Next para. The receipt of this communication may please be acknowledged. Stop.